Hello, good morning to all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Johan didn't join. And Joshua. Okay, so today we have doubt class now. Yes, guys. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today we have doubt class now. Yeah, so we'll do the doubt class. Be ready with your doubts. Till then, I'll call Johan and Joshua. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, guys. So we'll start our class. Come on, quickly. Now we will not waste any time. Yeah. So now, now it's your class. It's today's doubt class. So quickly take out your doubts without wasting any time. Yes, Anna.
Yeah, I'm kind of getting confused in the check your progress 4.3 and 4.4.
Yes. What is the problem in 4.3 and 4.2?
I'm kind of having difficulty trying to find out which property it is.
Uh, did you did the all examples before doing this exercise?
Not all the examples.
Okay, so for that, the reason, the solution will be like this. You have to do a lot of examples. Okay. Like this example, for example, 4.10, 4.11, 4.9, and 4.8. So if you will do these examples now, then you will automatically get, okay, this is in this form, you have to do like this. Like this only you will get. The problem is, like if you will take any property, why I'm able to do it? Because I did a practice. Okay. So you have to see, like whenever you are seeing that question, you have to, you will get that, okay, this question is this. So it means that this property can be applied. If I will do this and that, then only I will get one. Understood? So property, you have to see the property. Then only you can do this. So for example 4.3 is based on, sorry, check your progress 4.3 is based on example 4.8, 4.9, 4.10, 4.11. So first do these all examples. Okay, and then when you see the question, then you will get the that which property I'm asked to. Understood? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you have question doubts, then please tell me. Yeah, please.
First one is check your progress 4.8 to the fourth one.
Yes. 4.8 then?
To this fourth one. Subtract the fourth one.
Correct. The fourth one. Okay. Two upon x one, no?
Yes, sir.
This is the question. Now you will tell me how to do it. Tell me.
So I did this step x cross multiplying x into x plus 1 minus 2
Yeah.
into x minus 1
Okay.
upon
Then
x into x minus 1.
x on 2. Yes, like this you wrote.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to draw the like we have to make the same denominator. So for making same denominator, first see this is x square minus 1 is there. So I have to factorize it. How will I factorize it? Factorize it means you have to write uh, in a factor form. Okay, in factor form. So x plus 1 upon this is a square minus b square, because can I write like this? A square minus b square. Understood, guys? Listen up. Huh? Minus 2 upon x. Now, Anna, why I wrote this one? Sorry. Why I wrote this one as 1 square? Because I know that this is 1 square. If I were to 1 square, what is the answer? What is the answer? 1. So 1 or 1 square both are same thing. So that's why I put it square. Now, one more reason is now it is in the form of a square minus b square. I got the identity. Yes, I got the identity. I got it that how to do it. Yes or no? Did you got it? No.
Yes.
So this is how you will do this type of question. Okay, this is how you will do it. Yes, yes. I have to write x plus 1 plus x minus 1 into x plus 1 minus 2 upon x. Understood? No. Anna? That's it?
Yes.
No, just first question. We'll start with the first question. So 1 upon x minus 1 minus 2 upon x. Now this x will multiply with both. So it will become x upon x minus 1 minus 2 into x minus 1 upon x into x minus 1. So what I did, that this x minus 1 will multiply with both numerator and denominator. Therefore, don't write first, listen. This x minus 1 will multiply with both numerator and denominator. This x minus 1 will multiply with both numerator and denominator. In the same way, this x will also multiply with both numerator and denominator. Now solve it. Solve it, try. Try it, Suti. Got it?
Yes.
Got it?
I got 2 minus x upon x square minus x.
2 minus x upon.
X square minus x.
Yeah. Is it, okay, I have to solve it for that. Okay. Is this the correct answer? Yes, this is the correct answer. Good. Understood, Anna? Joshua? Jehoan, turn on the camera, please. Yeah. Next part. Next question, please, Anna.
I wasn't able to do all the homework problems, so
You're not able to do word problem.
no, I was focusing on the other problems yesterday, so I wasn't able to finish the homework that you gave.
So you asked me yesterday a lot of doubt, no? So can you
It
clarify
was mainly
whatever
in 4.3 and 4.4, so
4.3 and 4.4. So you're not able to identify the identity.
yeah, but you told me to do the example questions, so I have to do that now.
Yeah, do example questions because if you are doing example questions, now then you will get okay. This is this example, and this example is based on this factorization. This is a good part of your book that every factorization has 4 examples. So if you will do 4 examples, then you will get mainly idea. Okay, this is factorization. I have to do this. Understood? No. Okay. Anybody else? Hannah, any doubts? Joshua, you don't have any doubts? Not a little one? Yes, Jahan, please. Yes, Joshua. Let Joshua come. Yes, Joshua.
The second one in the homework.
In the
Second one in the homework.
uh, can you tell me the page number and check the progress, sir?
A square plus 1 by a square when a minus 1 by a equals to
Page number
page number 59.
sorry,
59.
59.
That question is on page number 157.
130. 4.82. Oh, yeah. Which one? First question.
Yeah, second question. A
Second
square,
question. So, okay. What's the problem in that, Joshua?
I didn't get the whole problem. A square plus 1 by a square when a minus 1 by a. I didn't know.
Yeah. So, this one, no, a square plus 1 upon a square, you have to find if a minus 1 upon a is equals to 2. If it is given like this. You were saying this one, no? This problem you're saying?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, now, what are the steps that you have to follow? Tell me, step one by one.
First, you have to do it square. You have to,
Yeah. So this is the question. Then you have to write squaring on the both sides. So you have to do squaring. So a minus 1 upon a is equals to 2. Squaring on both sides means this will become also square and this will also become square. Yes, next. Next, Joshua. Now, in which form it is this? Which identity you can apply in this?
identity.
Hmm.
A minus b.
Yeah, a minus b whole square. Now, what is the identity of that?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yeah. So, if you will compare it, what is a?
A is a
And b.
is 1 by a.
So I have to open this bracket in the form of this. So it becomes a square, which is a square a minus 2 into a, which is a, and b is equals to 1 upon a. So I will write like this. Plus b square, which is 1 upon a square, is equals to 2 square is 4. Understood? No. You didn't understand anything?
Yeah, understood.
Then this a and this a will cut. So it becomes a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. Now, this minus 2 will go also equals to become plus a square plus 1 upon a square is equals to
6.
6. Yes, you give me the answer. Understood? No. Yes, Jawad. Get out, please.
Sorry, sir, I got the answer actually just now.
Okay, you got the answer.
It was question number 2, question number 5.
Which check your progress?
Exercise 4.8.
4.8, question number 2, question number 5. You're saying this one? Say it
Yes, sir.
again.
Check your progress 4.8. Question number 2, number 5.
Number 5. This one you're saying?
Yes,
Just
sir.
one? This one?
Yes, sir.
So now, first of all, we have to write it like this. Now, Jahoan, in this you can see that the denominator is already same. Na? There is no need to multiply each other. So it's gonna be like this. Understood, Jahoan? Because both the denominators are same. There is no need to solve this. Okay. So now it will become this minus will multiply with both. So it will become 2x square plus 3 minus x square minus 1 upon x minus 4. So it will become x square plus 2 upon x minus 4. Understood? No. It's a simple thing. Got it, Jahan? Now,
Yes, sir.
anybody has any other doubt? Yes, Hannah.
Second one, the second question, the 7th and 8th.
You didn't get the 7th and 8th one.
Yeah. Okay, this is the question, okay? Hannah, this is the question. Yes, Hannah? Yes.
Now, x plus x minus 2. X minus 3 upon x plus 3 whole square minus x plus 3 upon 2 into x square minus 1. So, Anna, turn the camera, Jahan, Anna. Okay. So, Anna, now you tell me in this what identity you can use? Tell me.
It could be x square. I mean, a square minus b square if we put the
Yes.
minus 3 square.
Yeah. Now you got it, na? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you got it, na? So that's why if you will do as much as question, na, then only you will get it. Otherwise, doing every question gonna be spoon feeding for you. Understood what I'm trying to say? Okay. So till here, any problem? Jehovan, Joshua, what steps I wrote? Is any problem is there? See, Jehovan and Joshua, both guys. See, x square minus 9 is there. Can I write 9 as 3 square? Is there any problem? No? Then x square minus 3 square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So it means that it can be written as a minus b and a plus b. Now Hannah, because Hannah was absent at that day, so I think she didn't get it, but it's okay. See Hannah. Now here you can see that x plus 3 is already there. 1x plus 3 is already there. So what number is needed so that both will become same denominator? So you can understand it like this. For example, if I will write 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4, if I will write it like this. Yes? So now tell me, for making the denominator same. So first is the cross multiplication method that we were doing. Okay. The another trick gonna be like this. The another trick gonna be like this. See, if I will multiply only the second fraction with the number 2, then also the denominator becomes same. Yes or no? If I will multiply the second number with 2, 2 up and 2 down, so then also the denominator becomes same. Yes or no? In the same way, in the same way, like here you can see that x plus 3 square is there. So first of all, I have to multiply it by x plus 3. Yes. Then this denominator and this denominator will become same. Na? So x minus 2 was x plus 3 square plus x plus 2 into 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 3 into x plus 3. Now, this part is also missing in this. So if I will multiply this up and down, then both the denominator are same. Na? So it's going to be like this. X minus 2 into 2 into x minus 3 upon x plus 3 square into 2 into x minus 3, then plus x plus 2 into x plus 3 upon 2 into x plus 3 square into x minus. So now we got the denominator same. Now if you got the denominator same, then we have to solve it. Understood, guys? There is too much heat. And the second, eighth one, Hannah?
Yes.
Eighth one we did in the class?
If you've done
You
it in the
said
class,
that.
then I'll check the notes about it.
No, sir, we did
No,
the
you
first one, the eighth one, and the first problem.
Ah, yeah, because I remember Anna said it, sir, first eight is not there, the seventh is written as eight. Yeah, I got it. Okay, we'll do that.
So I got the answer as x square minus 4 upon x plus 3.
Yeah, you have to check it. Okay, now we'll do the eighth one. Okay, now Hannah, this is the previous type of question. Okay, now same. What do you have to multiply? Now you will tell me, Hannah.
First one.
Hmm?
To multiply the second half with x plus 1.
Actor. Same. Good. I got the answer.
I did that only, sir. Still came
Yeah.
not where I made the mistake.
The answer. Understood. So what I did in this question is like normal I did till here. Then I did the middle term splitting of this spectrum. Understood? Understood. The middle term splitting means the 2x is the middle term, no? So I split it in x plus x, then I solve it. Then I got the answer. So sometimes you have to do the simplest form to get the answer. Any other doubt? Joshua, no doubt?
Sir,
Joshua, I'm not getting homework from your side, Joshua. You
Sir,
have to
did
do
you
the
add
homework.
me to the group?
Sorry?
Sir, did you add me to the group?
Yeah, you have to do the homework and put it in the group. Only Hannah and Jehovah, they both are sending. Even Anna is not sending homework, whatever she is doing. Anna, why?
the point is I'm doing it, sir, but I'm not able to send it because my mom has the phone. She's working.
Yeah, just 2 minutes work. No, just still send it to me. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you do the third one, the fifth, and the seventh one?
13.
No, sir, the check your progress 4.8, the third question, and the fifth subdivision, and the seventh one.
Fifth one and seventh one. Okay, if I will do the fifth one, it will be same as seventh one because both are similar question. Okay. Stefan, turn on camera, please. I wrote a feedback to Zoom manager that please give host as an option that nobody can turn off their camera. They have to ask permission from us. Then only they can turn off their camera. I wrote feedback to the Zoom manager. So if Zoom manager is seeing my video, so please do this thing that nobody will able to turn off their camera. Okay. Now a plus 1 upon a is equals to root 3. So Anna, what will you do? What is the first step?
We have to square it, sir.
Yes. No. Why square? Cube is there, then why you will square it?
Sir.
Yeah. If you will cube it, then what will be the answer? Yeah. If you will cube it, what will be the answer?
3, sir. Okay. So it will become like this. A. Now open this bracket quickly. A cube plus 1 upon a cube
Then
is equal to 3.
plus 3 AB. AB means A into B. Into A plus B. Is equals to root 3 B. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Joshua? I just wrote the property. No problem in that. Now this A and this A will cut. It becomes A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus 3 into A plus 1 upon A. Now can I write, because cube is there, can I write in this form? Because cube is there. So now root 3 into 3, the answer will be 3. So A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus, now this can be written as root 3 because it is given now. So plus 3 root 3 is equals to root 3 into root 3, the answer is root 3, and because nothing prayer is there, so it becomes like that. So A cube plus 1 upon A cube is equals to 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3, they will cut, it will become 0. So A cube plus 1 upon A cube is equals to 0. This is the answer. Understood, guys? Now the seventh one, you have to do it same.
Yeah, question. I
Yes,
didn't
please.
understand how you got the answer for root 3, the whole thing.
This part.
Yeah. And the step
See,
below.
root 3 cube is there. Root 3 cube is there.
Yeah.
Now, if cube is there, so it means that you have to write it 3 times. Now. Like if I will write 2 cube, then what does this mean? 2 into 2 into 2, na? Okay. In the same way, I wrote 3 times. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Okay. Now, every time I told you before also, root 5 into 5 will become root 25, and the root 25 answer is 5. So basically, root 5 into 5 is 5. In the same way, root 7 into 7, it will be 7. Root 9 into 9, it will be 9. So in the same way, the root 3 into root 3 will become 3. Now, one root is left. If one more root 3 is there, then it will become 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Like it will be written like this. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So it will be like this will become 3. This will become 3. 3 into 3 will be 9. But because if this is not there, then it won't be like this. Then this root 3 will remain same like this. Then it becomes 3 root 3. Then I solve this. Understood, Jehovan? Anna? Joshua? Okay. So now it's time to say goodbye to Anna. Anna, goodbye. We'll meet tomorrow. And one more thing, guys. One thing I have to say it to you, that on tomorrow I'll take class. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Thursday I won't take class, and Friday I don't know, because tomorrow evening I will Wednesday I will take class. Okay, Wednesday no problem. Thursday no class. Thursday there will be holiday. But for the Friday, because I am coming on 9:35, I don't know if the train is late, if the train is on time. If the train is on time, then I will take class. But if train is not on time, then there will be holiday again. So Thursday and Friday there might be holiday, but Monday there will be test. Friday, I'm not sure. I will put message. Okay. Or you can ask me, like anybody can message me on 8 o'clock morning, because I'm on the train, so I don't know I will get time or not. So because I'm going to Delhi for some replication programs, like search ministry program. So that's why I'm not able to know. I will try my best to take class on Friday, but Thursday there'll be holiday. So I can see that Johan is laughing and saying, "Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir." So it's okay. Tomorrow you will get the homework. So Friday, you will have. It's not decided, but you just message me at 8 o'clock. That, sir, is it class there or not? Then I will tell you. Okay. Okay, guys. So Anna, bye, and then we'll meet tomorrow. And you guys have 4 minutes. Then come back. Okay, guys. Turn on the camera, guys. Come on, quickly. Okay. So we did till where? We did this thing also. Did this thing also. Okay. Now, so any problem in this chart? Blood group transfusion chart? Any problem? Any doubt, guys? Joshua, Johar, no doubt. Okay. Now, yeah, sorry, Johar, you were saying something. No, okay. Now, we learn about lymphatic system. Okay. Now, lymphatic system is like this. If I will draw the decent diagram for you guys. Please don't laugh. Now, for example, this is artery and this is vein. Okay. This one is artery and this one is vein. Okay. Now, understand it like this. Um, lymphatic system is like this. See, you can understand it like this. The plasma, okay, like we know that artery is there, okay. So the blood got perforated through this hole, and the plasma, which is yellowish in color, comes out in the cells, so that the cells will get nutrition. Okay. Then when cells will get nutrition, now the blood will become little dirty type. Then it will go to the veins and then it will go towards the heart. So for the small passage or small passage, we need lymphatic system so that every cells or every tissue will get the oxygen or the nutrition that is needed by the tissue. So this is how lymphatic vessels work. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now next is disorder related to circulatory system. Now disorder is like this, that heart attack. Now what is heart attack? So there is no war over that heart says that, oh, I want to do a war on you. No, it's not like that. But heart attack is like this, that heart needs nutrition and oxygen. So, for example, if a heart is pumping continuously, so it means that heart needs nutrition. Understood? If he's working 24 into 7 into weeks into years, so it means that it needs a what nutrition. But what happens? There's called as cholesterol. You know cholesterol? Do you know cholesterol? Like for example, if this is a for example, if this is a artery, then what will happen? That in artery there is some fats. There is some fats which come and which will stick on the walls of the artery. Okay. Now, because of the walls of the artery, blood flow which was easy to go, now it will become traffic here. Or because of that, the blood flow will become slow. Or the nutrition that is needed, it's not going on time. So because of that, the heart attack can happen. That's why your like father or grandfather says that don't eat junk food daily because junk food has a lot of cholesterol which will stick like a bubble gum in your artery and it can give you a, a event or a happening so that you can have a lunch with Jesus. Okay, so this can happen due to cholesterol. So who eats burger? Now, no will say, sir, we are the good believers. We only eat green leafy vegetables. Mama gave me karela or farwal or these spinach and everything. Only we eat, Hana? Yes? I get no problem. So, shall I raise this? Now, anemia. So anemia, we discussed it before also. Anemia occurs because there is less hemoglobin is formed. Less hemoglobin, why? Because there is iron deficiency. So due to iron deficiency, when hemoglobin levels fall below a certain point, this condition is called as anemia. Now anemia makes the human being inactive. Like they become tired. They can't run. If they will run for a few meters, then they will say, oh, oh, I can't run. I can't do this. Oh, like this. So why? Because of the anemia. Okay, understood? Yes. Now leukemia. Leukemia is basically called as blood cancer, in which there is excessive WBCs and few RBCs is formed by the body, makes blood cancer. So blood cancer is the leukemia. Then hypertension. So I told you, like in the previous example, in this example, if you will see that due to cholesterol, now more pressure will be exerted on the artery wall. Like more pressure, more pressure. Who do you know how like how who knows how to water the plant? Okay. If Hannah is using pipe and if he put a pressure from outside, then what will happen, Hannah? What will happen, Hannah? If you will put a pressure on pipe, if you will squeeze the pipe, then what will happen when the water is running through it? Then then the water will come fastly or it will travel in a great distance. In the same way, the artery wants to go. The blood in the artery wants to go for a longer distance. Now they will put a pressure on artery. Because of that, there will be a chance that a pressure, high pressure created on the artery. That is called as hypertension. Hyper means high, and tension. Tension means basically pressure. So it's another term of high blood pressure. So it leads to headache, dizziness, migraine, these types of problems. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So now I'm giving you 2 minutes to read all these terms and then come back to me quickly. Okay, done. Okay. Now we'll learn about respiration. See, guys, what do you mean by respiration? Jahovan will give me some introduction of respiration. Yes, Jahovan.
Breathing.
The thing we breathe. Okay. The thing we breathe is called as respiration. Okay. Hannah, is it correct?
Sure. I think the
Say
difference.
loudly. Say
I think
loudly.
there's a difference between respiration and breathing, but I think breathing is the exchange of gases, and respiration is when energy is released. Energy.
Okay. Joshua, what do you want to say? They both are saying different answer. So you want to say another different answer?
Respiration is like for breathing process of our
Okay. So both boys are in one team and Hannah is another team. So let's see who will win. So the winner is Hardik sir. Nobody's winner. Like means Hannah is like can win this, right? Because like we see always breathing, breathing and rest, respiration. Both are different things. Breathing is only out, out. Okay, this is called as breathing. But respiration is like what do you mean by respiration? We know that we eat food to form glucose, which is C6H12O6. So when this glucose breaks down in the presence of oxygen, because we are taking breathing, we are taking oxygen. This oxygen will go into our cells to the help of transportation system, which is blood vessels, hemoglobin. Okay, then this glucose will break down in the presence of oxygen in the so that the carbon dioxide will release or water can form and energy can be created. So this energy is basically can we can use it. Like I'm speaking the word energy. The word energy comes from the energy in myself. My God, that is too complicated. So basically, the energy is created during the process of respiration, but in breathing there is no energy created. Understood? Like it's a fact that when you are breathing now, so if you are thinking and then breathing, like for example, uh, okay, I want to control my breathing. Then for a some time, you like body will not control it. Then when you will do another work, then it becomes normal for you. Okay. So this is how the breathing occurs. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yeah. Jehovan, please read this. This part. Please read this, Jehovan. Jahan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We can live without food for several days, but we cannot live without breathing, even for a short while. Breathing provides oxygen to the cells of our body for the oxidation of food in order to generate energy for various activities. Respiration in plants. Plants do not have any special respiratory organs. Roots take up oxygen from air trapped in the soil by means of root hairs. Roots are embedded in the soil. Oxygen in the air surrounding them diffuses into the root hair and from there into the roots. Carbon dioxide given out similarly diffuses to the roots. Stomata leaves in open to let in oxygen and release carbon dioxide.
Okay.
In older parts
So
of the roots
basically,
or bark of woody plants,
can you hear me?
tiny
Yeah.
tiny
So
openings called
basically, hello, hello, hello,
lenticels
hello, hello.
are present. It is through these lenticels that oxygen reaches.
Okay. So basically,
Living
you can
tissues
understand it
carbon.
like
So,
this: that roots have roots hair. Now, this roots hair is responsible for taking up oxygen for the roots because the like we have nose, we can take breathe in, breathe out. Plant doesn't have any nose or any lungs. Okay, so roots take from their oxygen for the respiration from the root hairs, which is present inside the soil. Okay, do you know clay soil? Do you know clay soil? Okay, or you can understand like, do you know who knows how the potter makes the pots? When potter makes the pots, that soil is very sticky. Okay, if you will do, if yes, Jehovah. Okay, so when potter makes the pot, na that soil is very sticky, and if you will plant it, any plant, any saplings, if you plant it into there, it won't grow because that sticky clay doesn't have any air inside that. Now, because they doesn't have any air inside that, then what will happen? The roots will not get any air, they will not respire, and they will die. And because of that, the shoot system will also die. So we need to, like, if you are doing afforestation, then you have to be need like the sand or the soil should be have the big particles of soil should also be there so that they can get oxygen from it. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now there are two types of respirations are there, breathing respiration. Okay. Breathing and respiration. Okay. Yeah. Now guard cells. So stomata is basically stomata. I told you the leaf bottom part has small pores called as stomata. So when stomata opens, then oxygen will come and carbon dioxide will go. Understood? Yes or no? Now, what is lenticels? So, if I will tell you the lenticels, huh? Just give me a second. Temple लिखा है? ये डायरेक्ट ठंडा पीना चाहते ठंडा तो यार मेरे को काम करना है Okay. So there is no like I can't able to change the photo. Like I found it, but I'm not able to share that. Okay. Now I got it. See, can you see this? Can you see this photo? Now this small, if you will see this part, or this part, or these small cuts. So these are called as lenticels. So the stem or the bark of a woody plant, they take their respiration through this lenticel small things. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll learn about breathing and what's the breathing in breathing and cellular respiration. So as I told you, breathing is only inhalation and exhalation. But cellular respiration is responsible for the energy of oxidation of food, glucose. It's converted into ATP, the energy module. Understood, guys? So cellular respiration is basically the responsible for the energy releasing. Okay, and the breathing is only inhaling and exhaling of the gas. Okay, now you just respiration in humans. So this respiration in human we'll do tomorrow. Okay, so we'll end this class till here only because respiration in human beings is a big topic. So we can do this tomorrow. Okay. So then we'll end this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off.
Thank you, sir. Bye.